Chairman World Events Economy Week and Business Head, HITEX, Mr. Balram Ala, Organizing Secretary Weave and President of Telangana Chamber of Events Industry, Ms. Gautami IS, Managing Director, Telangana Tourism Development Corporation, Mr. Ravi Puram, General Secretary, Telangana Chamber of Events Industry, distinguished delegates, industry leaders, exhibitors, partners, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is a pleasure to join you for the inauguration of the World Events Economy Week or WEAV 2026 and the fifth of the South India Wedding Planners Congress series that's started 5 years ago. At the outset, I congratulate the Telangana Chamber of Events Industry, HITEX and Telangana Tourism and the organizing teams of WEAV, South India Wedding Planners Congress, India, for the MICE and the Creative Economy Conclave for bringing together an initiative of strategic importance. What makes this platform important is not merely the event itself, but the thinking, as Shrikant has said. Globally, the most important competitive destinations are no longer actually evaluated by the number of tourists that they attract, but rather they're not simply events either that attract people to them. Any destination is actually evaluated by the conferences or exhibitions or the corporate gatherings and destination weddings and the cultural festivals and international events that a place can hold and attract to. And these simply are not events, they are actually demand generators. They not only drive the visitor experience, they also stimulate local economies. And as such, they strengthen the destination brands and economy. They create long-term economic value besides the cultural and heritage value that a place intrinsically holds. And that is why the events economy has emerged as a strategic pillar of destination development across the world. As for Telangana, this is particularly relevant because our approach to tourism is not limited to promoting just the destinations that we have. We feel that Telangana is still an unfolding discovery. It still has exemplary destinations which are yet to be explored and yet to be known to the world. Our focus is on building destination ecosystems that combine infrastructure, accessibility, hospitality, culture, experiences, as well as industry partnerships, which go to create a sustained economic impact. This is what we describe as a whole city and a whole state approach. When Hyderabad hosts a major convention, exhibition, wedding, or any festival, we engage not just the hotels or the restaurants, we engage transport networks, we engage a number of creative personalities that are there here among us. And we also generate benefits for all these sectors and partners and co-players. And we also see that creative professionals and tourism attractions as well as local communities benefit from any engagement that we see across these sectors. The economic value created is also distributed across these multiple sectors of businesses and also community and the heritage and cultural value that a place has. What I'm particularly intrigued and encouraged is to see that the three high potential sectors are being brought together in this event of WEAV. They're indeed woven together, and which are: the first is highlighted by the South India Wedding Planners Congress, which has steadily established itself as one of the country's leading platforms in the wedding and celebration industry. And India for MICE, which plays a critical role in connecting destinations, buyers, convention centers, and associations and business events ecosystem. And thirdly, we have the Creative Economy Conclave, which is gathering ever more importance and significance, which recognizes the growing importance of culture, of creativity, of design and content, and experiences as drivers of economic growth, and also the destination differentiation. Together, these platforms represent three significant economic engines. It is a celebration economy, as we say, and the business events economy, as well as the creative economy. The strategic value lies not in treating them independently or separately, but it is in recognizing the connection and the synergy between them, amongst them. This is where Weave becomes important. Most importantly, it has the potential to become a globally recognized intellectual property originating from Hyderabad and Telangana. As we know, Hyderabad already possesses many of the fundamentals required for this ambition. It has world-class convention infrastructure, it has strong air connectivity, it has a mature hospitality ecosystem, and a rich culture and heritage to sustain all these verticals together. It also has a dynamic business environment, and it has a strong institutional support from the government of Telangana and all the other partners from the government and non-government sector. Therefore, the opportunity before us is to convert these strengths into a sustained global demand. And to all the wedding planners, all the MICE buyers, destination specialists, event organizers, and industry leaders who have gathered here today, I extend a warm invitation to explore the opportunities that Telangana offers, to build partnerships, to bring your events, and to bring your ideas and your business. As our tourism campaign proudly professes, Telangana Zarur Ana. Thank you.